Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
Here's the Lycaon TRX. It's carbon fiber. So we're out here with the Lycaon TRX. Skateboard. It's got a carbon fiber stiff deck. The top speed's around 47 kilometers, so 20 something, 30. Let's go for a ride. We're in beautiful 38 Florida, Santa Rosa Beach. And we're just having a good time. It's super cold today, or it's super cold for Florida. It's like, I think it's like 50, it's like 37 over the weekend, Christmas. I don't know why everybody insists on having a cold Christmas. Makes no sense. Let's pray for a cold. I like Florida where it's sunny. I will say that if you get the board, I would recommend putting the padded grip tape on it because of the stiffness of the carbon fiber. It's like really hard to, doesn't really absorb anything. So that extra little padding definitely helps with the ride. The cloud wheels are pretty cool, man. I heard a lot of things about them slipping in rain. I mean, yeah, if you're trying to go full speed, but take it easy, obviously. Yeah, it's solid, man. These double kingpin trucks.